Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to send direct messages on X. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open the X application on your mobile phone. First I will show you how to turn on the direct messages option. There are also limitations even after turning on the direct messages options. I will also explain those. But first let's turn on the direct messages option. So tap on your profile picture on the top left corner. Then you will see different options. Scroll down and expand this option Settings and Support. Then select the option Settings and Privacy. Next on the settings page you will see the option Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Then on the Privacy and Safety page tap on Direct Messages. Here under Allow Message Requests From you will see three options: No One, Verified Users and Everyone. So you have to select the third option, Everyone. Now everyone can send you message request. Once you will approve the request, then it will come in your normal inbox. Now to DM any other person, it is necessary that he has also selected the third option, Everyone. Or if you are a verified user, then you can also send message request if he has selected the second option, verified users. But if he has selected no one, then you can't send him message request or DM. One thing you need to know that people you follow will always be able to message you. So it means if the other person follow you, then you can send DM anytime. But if he don't follow you and he has selected the third option, everyone, then you can message him. It will appear in the message request section. Once he will approve, then it will come in the normal messages, and in this way you can DM on X. Let's show you with an example. I'm opening this account for now. After opening the account, you will see this direct message option. It means that he has turned on the direct messages option. Simply tap on this icon and you can start a message. Now let's see another person. For the second example, I'm opening this account, President of USA, and here you can see that direct messages option is not available. I hope this video was helpful for you, and this is how you can send direct messages on X.